There, this is the team over at Ardith Design, Amanda, May, and Adam, and we are going to assemble this new office chair that was sent to us. The company sent it to my husband. He's a big and tall guy, and we are excited to assemble this and get it all set up and ready. So this holds 400 pounds, and it comes in the box, and we are going to assemble it. It's pretty straightforward. It comes with all of the tools and the screws and everything that you will need to put this together. So right now we're just going to unbox it, and then I'm going to show you it fully installed in my husband's new little office space. So we're taking the legs and putting the wheels on, so they've got caster wheels on it. So we're going to get all the caster wheels down, and then we're going to put the pieces on that will hold the base of the chair where you will sit on. The chair is a high back executive style chair made out of the PLU leather. So it's the faux leather. It's got a lot of seat padding and it's super cool. So it comes with this tool to put all of the hardware down on. So we're putting the armrests on. These are the flip up armrests, ideal computer chair for working from home. And it's got that high back that we're going to put on here in a minute. I'm helping you. You lay it down first and then screw in everything, and then you'll pull it up and then screw the final bits down. So again, super straightforward. The pugs even tried to help. Just kidding, they didn't try to help. So here, just a lot of screwing in and then tightening everything all up, making sure it's good to go. And then we're going to put the covers over those screws so you don't see those screws. And look at the stitching, the nice stitching on that PLU, that faux leather here, and it's really nice. So my husband's gonna sit in it. Oh, there he is. And it's got an adjustable height. It's got a synchro tilt function to give you relaxed movement, and again, it holds up to 400 pounds. So my husband weighs a little more than 300 pounds, and he said it's nice and comfortable to sit in and put your feet up in, which coincidentally I got him on camera doing. So it has that nice high back, as you can see. It's got the padding and the adjustable arms, and then again it has the adjustable height that can go from 19.3 inches to 23.2 inches tall. And we just really like the chair, love the caster wheels, and love that it's made for big and tall people. So we hope that you enjoy this chair, and I want to thank the company for sending it to us to try and review. Take care.